Today I am back again with another question on Codeforces. So this question is from yesterday contest. So in this question, you have three players, and in this question there is a rule that the third player, which is like the game will be played between two players, and the third player, which is watching the game, he will he will come in the next game, and any player cannot play more than two games consecutive. So these are the two statements in this question. And if you see some examples, like here, this is the number of games that is going to be played, and then you need to tell whether the spectator in the first game will be the spectator in this kth game or not. This number represent k, so whether he will be the spectator in that kth game or not. So if you see here first, so in the first game he is the spectator, so answer is yes. In the second he will not, because uh, he is the spectator in the first game, and after that he need to play, because here it is written in the statement ki otherwise the winner and the spectator will play in the next match. So if you try to, I will show on the whiteboard uh, how how that question look like. So okay, if you see here, there are three players. There are three players like A, B, and C. So C is the spectator in the first game. So A and B are playing. Then in the question it is written ki uh, here the player who plays twice in a row sit out as a spectator in the next match, and will be played by the other two players. Otherwise, the winner and the spectator will play in the next match. Okay, while the loser will spectate. So here, suppose B lose the game, so next match will be played between A and C. Okay, and B is the spectator. So if you see here, A has played consecutively two games. So uh, now A will be out, and next game will be played between B and C, and A will be the spectator. And if you see here, C played two games consecutively. So in the next game, B and A will play, and C is going to be spectator. So if you see, C is the spectator in the first game and C is the spectator in the fourth game. If you go on, it will happen like C will be always a spectator in a game which can be represented as 3k plus 1. So if the number k is divided by 3 and it gives a remainder 1, then that is your answer. Like, then C will be the spectator in the game, and you can print yes. If that number k is not in the form of 3k plus 1, so then that answer is no. So this is the logic of the question, and the code is very simple. So T represents the number of test cases, and then for each test cases I am just entering the k, and I am checking here whether k is in k is type of 3k plus 1 means it is like giving a remainder 1 or not. If it is giving a remainder 1, so it is yes, otherwise it is no. So this is the whole code and the logic for this question. Hope you have understood it. If not, you can ask in the comments. Thank you for watching my channel.